The Left Alliance has swept the Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union elections, winning all the 4 seats. Now, this left win came just hours after the RSS-backed ABVP won the student union elections at the Delhi University yesterday. The JNU students' body elections, however, were closely watched this year because they come in the aftermath of the controversial February 9th event in JNU against the hanging of Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru, in which anti-India slogans were allegedly raised. The incident had led to the arrest of the outgoing JNU Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar and 2 others who were charged with sedition.
All seats in the central panel of the JNU Students' Union elections have been bagged by the left yet again. This time, for the first time, 2 rival parties of the left, Students' Federation of India and All India Students Association, got together to garner support.
This will be the strong message to the politics of India, the politics that this government is practicing. The campuses, FTI, SCU, it will be the message for all campuses, and it is a strong message against the proxy war that government was waging against the students across the country.
The new President Mohit Pandey won by 400 votes, with Rahul of the Bisra Ambedkar Phule Students Association coming a close second. BAPSA, which is contesting for the second time and stands for minority rights as its key agenda, has seen much more support this year in comparison to the last.
तो पार्टी ने ये दर्द पुराना है, इसलिए लड़ाई बहुत लंबी है और लड़ाई बहुत सख्त होने वाली है.
The Congress-affiliated National Students Union of India, which hardly has any support in the campus, took comfort in the left losing vote share to the Ambedkarite students.
The rise of BAPSA is a question on the left politics in this campus. इतने सालों से यहाँ पर OBCs के जो राइट्स थे, उनके जो टीचिंग की पोस्ट खाली पड़ी हुई थी, जो लेफ्ट ने अपने यहाँ से ढक कर रखी हुई है, एक करारा तमाचा लेफ्ट के ऊपर है.
The RSS-backed Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, which has for long been viewed as an outsider in the traditionally left campus, won a single seat for the position of councillor in the Sanskrit department and lost by a margin of approximately 1,000 votes in the vice presidential and the general secretary category.
हर जगह पे हमारे वोट नंबर बढ़ाई है, तो अब इनको हर साल ऐसे ही लड़ झगड़ के आईसा एसआई एसएफ डीएसएफ एसएफआई सबको साथ में ही लड़ना है.
The politically charged JNU campus saw a clean sweep by the united panel of the left this time, but it is slowly opening up to the presence of other ideologies in JNU politics. With Rashmi Iman, Snigdha Basu, NDTV.